How to update Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make sure you're running the latest version of Edge in just a few steps. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen to open the menu. Let me show you. From there, scroll down and click on Help and Feedback. At this point, click on About Microsoft Edge to open the update page. In the next step, Edge will automatically check for updates as soon as the page loads. From there, if an update is available, Edge will begin downloading it automatically. Wait for the download to complete. At this stage, once the update is downloaded, you'll see a Restart button appear. Click on Restart to apply the update. Following this, Edge will close and reopen with the latest version installed. Once done, go back to Help and Feedback and click on About Microsoft Edge again to confirm the update was successful. It should now show Microsoft Edge is up to date. From here, if Edge is already up to date, you'll see a message saying so right away. No further action is needed. Let me show you another way to keep Edge updated automatically. At this stage, click on the three dots again and go to Settings. Following this, click on Privacy, Search, and Services on the left side menu and scroll down to find the Update section. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so Edge updates itself in the future without you needing to do it manually. Here's an important note. Keeping Edge updated ensures you have the latest security patches, performance improvements, and new features. It's always a good idea to stay on the latest version. Finally, if Edge is stuck on a specific version and won't update, try restarting your PC first. Click on the Start menu and select Restart. Then reopen Edge and check for updates again. And that's it. If this guide helped you update Microsoft Edge, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.